had to zoom this out so you guys can see how big this box is. It is huge because they sent me a gel polish kit with a lamp. So this is from Mefa, and they sent me a honker of a kit. So I wanted to zoom out so you guys can see everything that was in the package. It's so packaged well. Like, look at that. All these goodies. So I'm gonna take them out. So we will start with the lamp, 90, 60, 30. And then you can see it's an LED lamp. And it actually is open in the back, so when you put your hands in, you don't necessarily have to risk butting your hand in there, so I actually love that. But this would go straight on your desk because there is no bottom. Like, for instance, I'll take the top half of mine. Like, there is a bottom here on a stand where this just goes directly on your surface. So make sure you have something down just on your surface so you don't accidentally get gel polish on it. Okay, so you got 2 discs for practice. I think this is great, especially if you're just starting out, which this is starting to look like a really good starter kit. But it does look like you would need a base and a gel top coat, like a gel base and gel top coat. Because I don't think, oh no, they got it. Ah, right here. So it's an, and this is why we can't have nice things. So this is an all-in-one kit, which I think is really great if you're just starting out. So you have a buffing block that has 2 different grits, plus a file that also has 2 different grits. This feels like a 180, 100. And if you do your toes, you got your little toe spreaders. Oh, you got even some prep tools. And this is exactly what I use personally to prep my nails. I always use a tool. A tool that has that straight edge. I have quite a few of these, and I have the one that I use from Navy Pro Tools just because I like that edge to push back. It really gets that stuff off your cuticle. And then you have that pointed. They come with little nail clippers. Then this is also for your cuticles, like to get any of the hangnails. I'm deathly afraid of these because I always feel like I'm just going to like take one off and it's just gonna like keep going. So I've never really been into these, but it does come with one in the kit. Plus you have a little scrubber brush, which actually is great during prep. If you are prepping and like you're doing your whatever you need to do, and you kind of just keep it on your hand, you can quickly just get the dust off and then move on. I also use it for under my nails because I'm like a clean freak when it comes to stuff like that. Then you got you got the pointy tweezers, and you got some of these little jewels. And you usually don't want to top coat them because they will lose their shine. I feel like I'm rushing through this because there's just so much stuff in here. Plus you got a little duster. Ooh, this one's really soft. Fun fact about me, I am like textural, like I love texture, and I love super soft things ever since I was a kid. And then you got these beautiful glitters and foil. Look at the little butterflies. So pretty. This will absolutely be used a ton during the holidays. Plus you got some cuticle oil. They aren't labeled cuticle oil, but most of the time. All right, Grab your tea, your coffee, whatever you need to get through all of the swatching. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it on one swatch stick. I'll probably have to do it on two just because there's so many gel polishes here. 32, I believe, was the exact count, and that's an insane amount of polish, especially if you're just starting out. Like, one of these kits are usually the way I like to go, or my recommendation. Like, my husband's cousin wanted to start doing her own nails at home, and so I gave her like some recommendations on where to start, and I gave her one of these kits to start with because it had a little bit of everything in it. Okay. So we got some gel polish to go through, okay? And they are plastic, and they are 7 milliliters. When you look at like another one, for example, you have Born Pretty, which is 10. And then a normal like gel polish. And then for like normal gel polish, this is actually a builder gel, it's 15. So these are super tiny, but for the price and how many you get, and if you're a do-it-yourselfer, like, you're never gonna go through all that. All right, we're gonna start off with 755. That's a pretty purpley blue, I like that. 682. 686. No, I should have done colors that are alike. We have 343. Too much on the brush, but ooh, I like that mustard color. 687. 365. Yeah, see, I should have done that. 644. 398. 876. You guys still with me, or are you guys over it? And just go to the end. If you're still with me, let me know. We have 877. Ooh, I like that one. 409. 508. Ooh, that was a one swipe ready to go. 443. See what I mean? If I had swatched the colors together, like, look at how good that ombre looks. And that would be super easy to ombre, like if you did an all purple hand. Like, I think over the summer I did all pink because I was obsessed with just like an ombre pink. That purple would be beautiful. 733. 486. 483, 733, 483. Maybe I didn't. Clearly I didn't, and I'm just losing my mind. 370. Yes, that is that Barbie baby pink right there. Got 49. 683. Nice sky baby blue. Dusty blue. 684. This seems to be a popular color for the year. 386. 385. 530. No, I'm not telling you the time. 504. Ooh, I like that lime green. That's super pretty. 685. 296. And we're just gonna go on to the next one because the next ones are black, white, and glitters. So I'll just grab another swatch stick. I would have gone through so many swatch sticks if I had to do them individually. Man. And then we got our white, which is 612. 605 is the black. Ah, there we go. 688 is, looks like it's gonna be a gunmetal. Ooh, okay, so it's black with, ooh, too much. With white. Or is it? It's black and white speckles on it. 16, looks like there might be a little bit of hollow glitter. Yes. Silver with hollow glitter in it. 689. That right there. And then 878. Ooh. Ugh, glitters are so my favorite. Like, look at these. Obsessed. So I wanted to bring it all in so you guys can see all the different colors. That's so many colors. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. That is a lot of colors. Especially for a starter kit, I feel like you get a good variety of colors. Like, you're not just stuck with like one shade of pink, one shade of purple, or one shade of blue. You get a couple different oranges. You do get one yellow, but you also get like a sandy tan color, different shades of pinks and purples. You also get like your baby and your hot pink, plus your different greens, and then you get some glitters in the back. The surprise for me was like that matte glitter, so unique. There's not many people who I feel like do matte glitter, so I was actually pleasantly surprised to see that in this kit. But overall, I'm living for these colors. So pretty. I'm losing them. That is how much stuff is in this kit. I did drop a couple, I won't lie. So much stuff. So I want to thank MEFA for sending this over. I think this is a great thing to show before the holidays. If you guys are just getting into nails, trying out a kit like this that has a little bit of everything, I think is a great start. And I love that glitter is also included, because people don't want to just do plain nails. They don't. They are like, I want to go straight into designs, glitter, you know, all of that good stuff. And so I was happy to see that this kit kind of provided a little bit of everything in it. So I will make sure to link it below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.